here's how to do the quad shield coax you sent me, Chris. So here's the coax. I already put one end on there just to show for an example. These are quad shield fittings, so the purple's quad shield, blue are the normal universal ones that we have that you normally see at the sites. So if you have the universals, those will work fine too for the quad shield. But first, just strip it back. And I've got Velcro on my stripper, so I can fan back the first layer of braid. And then grab a hold of the foil that's on the outer piece here. Fold the foil back. You don't need to pull the foil off, it just needs to be folded back. Use Velcro to take it back so you don't poke your fingers. Like that, it's got all the braid back. And then it's just a matter of taking a fitting, placing it on there. It doesn't take a whole lot of force on it either, just rock it. It'll pop on. Fully seat it. And then crimp it. There, we got one completed. Here's the other one I completed earlier. Both those are fully seated, and they will not twist or come off at all. So here I did that one. Here's another one. Again, take that first layer of braid and get it back so it doesn't get bunched up on there anywhere. Look for a place where you can grab the foil, pull the foil back. Once the foil is back, then use Velcro to fold them back. There, it's all the way back. Then I'll take one of these other ones that are the purple. I'll show you these fit equally as well. So they pop on. Fully seated. Crimp it. So there, that one's on there. Now I'll do the opposite end of it with one of the regular blue universal ones that we have. Same thing, strip it. First layer braid back with Velcro. Grab the foil. Hold the foil back. Use Velcro as it'll snag all those little wires, and if you see it bunching up like right here, then it's in best interest to pull it back if it doesn't do with the Velcro, because if there's any braid that's up in there, it'll bunch up and the fitting will not fully seat, and you'll have a hell of a time getting it in there. So there's universal, pops right on there, fully seated. Crimp it. There, that one's done. Both ends of that same one. Here, I'll do it on another one here. Strip it. First layer braid back. And my Velcro is getting tired, so it doesn't work as good as when it's brand new, but you can use either the hook side or the loop side. Usually doesn't matter. I like the soft side itself. Works better for me. Couple of stragglers. Okay, so there I've got that done there. Put the fitting on it. Rip it. So that one's done. Here's the other end. I'll put another one of those purples on there. I prefer the blue. I think the blue ones are easier to work with. Braids back, grab the foil. Foils back. Use Velcro to get that inner layer of braid back. Inner layers back. Put the fitting on there. Get it to seat a little bit. And then push it on all the way. Trim it. Crimp it. There we go, fully seated, both ends. And there's how to do quad shield.